What's up, guys? Today we are looking at this watch. It is a Sutus, S-U-T-U-S, quartz watch. Okay, good. Look at that. So this watch is way over 20 years old. I couldn't find any information on this company. Don't know if they still exist. This was one of my first watches. I got this when I was very young. This is not the original strap. This is just a cheap Velcro strap that I got with this. The original was a resin strap, but just from use, the part where the insert goes into the hole on the resin strap, that hole just got bigger and then it snapped that part of the strap. So this is just a replacement strap. So what I'm going to do today is I took the battery out, SR1120W Sony battery, and this lasted a long time, seriously amount of time. So I want to replace this battery. Let me just take this off. Whoa. Is that gone? Yeah. Alright, so that's the strap. Okay, I remember loosening this. Whoa, what's this? I don't know what that is. Protective layer? Yeah, if you could tell me what this is in the comment section down below, I'd greatly appreciate that. So that's where the battery came out of. Now I have to see if this works. So these are slightly different, but they said they match up. So the original battery is SR1120W, and these are LR1121. And I'll have to see if they work. Alright, I presume it goes in. Does this come off? Yeah, so this comes up, battery goes in. Now I have to put this back on. I need to invest in a good set of tweezers. I'm not a professional, I just like my watches. Is it dead? Or is it the wrong way? Alright, let me try put it in the other way. Okay, so we've ruled out that it doesn't go in this way. It doesn't, yeah, it doesn't fit at all. It's kind of pops up. Let me try another battery, because these batteries, some of them might be dead. Alright, here we go. Second time's the charm. Actually, hang on a second. Where did this come out of? Okay, so this goes there. The battery is in. No, still nothing. Maybe this has something to do with it? Does this conduct? No, it shouldn't. Let me just hand tighten this. Oh, wonder if it's the battery. The movement still works. Yeah, I would have liked to have gotten this working. This was my first proper watch before, you know, the kids' toys watches. This was not smoke. I think this was like silver, and then it had like 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10 here, and you rotate it. Yeah, that sucks a lot. I wonder if it's the battery, but the battery... Yeah, the batteries are slightly different. Oh well. Anything? Let me just tighten this to see if that gold plate does anything to it. No, unfortunately not. So unlucky today. I'm not sure if it's these batteries or if there's something up with the battery mechanism on the watch itself. Might have to talk to a specialist and see what they can do. I'd like to get this watch running again. All right, there we have it. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.